So it might just be the fact that I'm cheap, but spending $300 or $400 for a new carpet just seems expensive to me. And these carpets are pretty resilient. I mean, they go through some serious crap. And I've just pulled one out of this Dakota that had been there for a while. It'll probably have to be dyed. I think the sun's faded it in certain spots, but the carpet's there. It's filthy dirty. I just want to see how clean I can get this thing. And I'll let you guys keep an eye on how I do it. I've restored several carpets like this and had very good luck. So here's the before. So that's the majority of the cleanup for the carpet. To be honest with you, I'm gonna take this now, I'm gonna lay it on top of that 300 over there, let the sun dry it all day. Once it's good and dry, I'll be able to start putting some dye back into it. Just get the aerosol dye, spray it down real good, rub it in with your fingers so it gets into all the fabric. That'll probably take 3-4 cans, and I'll hang it up somewhere on the sidewall or in the garage at the house or something like that to cure, and hopefully when it comes time to put it back in this truck, it'll look like a brand new bunch of carpet going in it. There's still some dirt showing up. There's some things, so once it dries, again, I'll go in and I'll start vacuuming and getting the heaviest stuff out of it. But you can see all the dirt coming out. Even in carpet that looks clean, you're going to get that kind of dirt coming out when you start pressure washing these things. Now, there's also some fibers that have came loose, so there's kind of like some long hairs. Once it dries, the brush shows right off.